What's up, everybody? I'm DJ LeFave, and I'd like to welcome you to my first ever record pool review. And I want to preface this episode with letting you know that just like politics, religion, where you get your favorite slice of pizza, where you get your music is a personal choice. What we're going to do in this video is we are going to go through 4 of the different record pools that I currently subscribe to: ZipDJ, BPM Supreme, Eighth Wonder Record Pool, and the streaming service Tidal. And we're going to go through about 15 different songs, and we're going to see how they all stack up. All right, so welcome along for the ride. We're going to use DJ Intelligence's top 5 most requested songs. We're going to go through the Billboard top 5 Hot 100 songs of this week, and then we're going to finish it off our review with iHeartRadio's top 5 Latin songs. Very simple grading system. Either they have it or they don't. We're going to go through 5 for each. Now, you'll notice the grayed out areas underneath ZipDJ and BPM Supreme, they do not offer video, but Eighth Wonder and Tidal do. So we're going to go through a little bit of all of this, plus an overall scorecard. And for Tidal, if you want to have video, you can't do it from, like, directly from Virtual DJ. You have to add the video from the app or your phone to a playlist, and then it is readable and executable through Virtual DJ. But they do work for across all of the other DJ softwares out there. I just personally, as you know, am a VDJ aficionado. All right, so like I said, we're gonna grade each performance. We're gonna give it out of a total. There's gonna be 5 for each section, and then they get a letter grade because, well, we're professors here, so we're gonna give them a letter grade. All right. So next up is, after all of that is done, I'm going to go over the plans, pricing, and my thoughts on the overall value provided by each of these record pools. All right? And then after that, I'll actually do a real-time quick look at each service. So there'll be chapters underneath this. So if you guys want to click through different sections, you can click through different sections all you want, or just stick along for the whole ride because, you know, I like having you here. I do. All right, top 5 requested songs. I got these songs from DJintelligence.com. They put out a great list of chart toppers from 2022, 21, 20, all the way back in different categories too. But this is just the overall all ages party top 5 requested songs. Let's see how the record pools stack up against each other, okay? First one up, I Want to Dance with Somebody, Whitney Houston. Off the bat, BPM Supreme. How do you not have my New Jersey girl Whitney up in there? Everybody else, astounding grades. They get a checkbox. They each have a version or multiple versions of this song. I will say BPM Supreme had one version, but it was a house electro dance version that at normal all-age parties will not fly. Will not fly. The next song, Cupid Shuffle, the song that every DJ loves to hate. I love it because it's a 6-minute break for me, and I hate it because, well, it's the Cupid Shuffle, and I've listened to it at too many events. Everybody did pretty well here except for ZipDJ. ZipDJ did not have this glorious, glorious throwback track. Uptown Funk, Bruno Mars. I think you could not say that you've DJ'd or been to a wedding without hearing this song. Well, you won't hear it from BPM Supreme because, well, their throwbacks just aren't hitting. If you want to call Uptown Funk a throwback, right? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, all the other service providers, they offer Uptown Funk, Bruno Mars, and Mark Ronson. Might be Mark Ronson featuring Bruno Mars on that one. All right. Number 4, Sweet Caroline. Well, if you're at a party where they're playing this song, then congratulations to you. You've made it. You've made it in the mobile DJing world. Everybody loves Sweet Caroline because, well, they know the words to the chorus. They don't know anything else, but that's what they do. Eighth Wonder Record Pool is the only contender on this list that did not have this track either in MP3 or in video. Yeah, by Usher. Finally a song that all 4 record pools can agree to, know and love. Yeah, Usher and Ludacris, Lil Jon. Good track. We all got it. So let's go look at the overall scores. ZipDJ gets a 4 out of 5. BPM Supreme, a 3 out of 5. Eighth Wonder Record Pool gets a 4 out of 5 and a 4 out of 5. And Tidal comes in with a perfect 10 out of 10, and it receives an A. All right, so we're going to go to the Billboard top Hot 100 top 5 songs from this week because, you know, that seemed like a good as any day to pull from. Okay. Oh, and hey, just want to let you guys know, if you're watching this video, you have the power to help this channel grow. Just like, comment, share it with your other DJ and music aficionados, and help me grow. Help us all grow, because this is a community, and you can't spell community without you. That's right, you. All right, moving on. First song, number 1 on the charts this week, Anti-Hero by Taylor Swift. All you Swifties out there, be happy that all 4 of these providers carry Taylor Swift's Anti-Hero. Kill Bill, Sizzling. I bet this is going to be number 1 in a couple of weeks. Be knocking off Taylor Swift off the top of the charts. And the only provider that does not have the video for this is 8th Wonder Record Pool. Unholy, TikTok, 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 TikTok. This is the jam on TikTok. Now, not only do all the providers carry this track, ZipDJ, BPM Supreme, and 8th Wonder have some pretty good dance remixes of it. Get a little more upbeat than the standard version if your crowd is looking for that. So there you go, all 5 there. And I'm Good, Blue, David Guetta, and Bebe Rexha. Very, very surprised that BPM Supreme does not have this track. I was very, very surprised, but across the board, everyone else is carrying. Was this the track of 2022, or is it going to become the track of 2023? I could definitely see this one getting hot again come summertime. Creepin', Metro Boomin'. This is number 5 on the top charts. I haven't heard this one yet. I haven't heard it. Apparently, I got to go give it a listen. BPM Supreme, that's a no. And with both 8th Wonder and Tidal not having the video, I'm wondering if there is even an official video released for this track. So, how'd everybody do? Well, we got an A, a C, an A, a C, an A, a B. And again, simple grading system. You get 5 out of 5, you get an A. If you get 3 out of 5, well, that's a C. And then it works just like that. Very self-explanatory. Keeping this very, very easy. Now, next up, we're going to talk about the top 5 iHeart Hot Latin songs. But I'm going to put an asterisk here because BPM Supreme offers 2 different record pool types. One is open format, and the other one is Latin. Now, I have done Latin before. I have gotten that. I've subscribed to that pool, and it does have a lot of Latin, but I don't have it this year, so I couldn't review against it, so I'm doing strictly open format. That's what I'm using, is what I'm showing you, and I'm doing Latin songs because, well, Latin is super hot across the entire U.S., but especially in my home base of New Jersey. So we got Monotonia by Shakira and Ozuna, and ZipDJ was got it. BPM Supreme, of course, it's an asterisk. I believe that if you went to their Latin record pool, probably a good chance they have it there. 8th Wonder, no. Tidal, that's a yes. That's a yes. La Bacata, Manuel Turizo. You can see the scores on here. 8th Wonder is performing just as well as the open format BPM Supreme. Mi Porto Bonito by Bad Bunny. Again, same. ZipDJ is looking good. ZipDJ has a lot of Latin music in their pool. So kudos to ZipDJ for offering for their standard price of everything across the board. And Tidal, they got everything. Normal by Feed, Fode Fum. 8th Wonder did not have the video, had the regular track though. And as you can see the score. So, last one, number 5 on the top charts right now is Mommy, Becky G featuring Carol G. And everyone except BPM Supreme is rocking this track. But we put the asterisk there because they do offer a Latin set, but this is what I'm reviewing is the open format version. So BPM Supreme gets the 0 out of 5. ZipDJ and Tidal both coming in perfect over here. Perfect scores. So let's go and look at the overall scores of the 15 songs that we just went through, speeding through. Overall performance, ZipDJ, you get a 14 out of 15. Raise your hand up high if you are a ZipDJ fan. Turn it around and pat yourself on the back because you got a record pool that seems to have quite a bit of tracks. BPM Supreme, shaky. You're shaky. As far as throwbacks go, you don't have them. Look through your throwbacks. There's not a lot of throwback songs in BPM Supreme. That lowered their score tremendously. And Latin, if you're really looking for Latin, then you've got to check out the BPM Supreme Latin record pool. unfortunately. Eighth Wonder performed moderately well, and you're going to see the value you get from Eighth Wonder. Eighth Wonder really, really excels in throwbacks. So if you are just starting off and you want to make sure you pack your downloadable, the tracks that you own, Eighth Wonder is a good place to start. We're going to go over the pricing soon. That way you can really help your process. And if you're looking to purchase this, get started or find a new record pool. And Tidal, how can you complain? That's 29 out of 30, including audio and video with multiple different versions, both clean and explicit and remixes. Wow. Simply wow. Here we go. All right. So plans, pricings, and thoughts. I promise you I was going to give you this. Here we go. But before we go into that, check out the membership tab. Go sponsor this channel. It's 99 cents a month, cheaper than any record pool that you're going to subscribe to. Plus, you get these wonderful tips, tricks, tutorials. Well, they're all for free, but if you want a little badge next to your name while you're leaving comments or, when I get down in the live stream, you get to use the emojis. It's a nice way of saying thanks to the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and, check it out. Check it out. All right, so the LeFave score for ZipDJ, they get an A, 14 out of 15. I'm currently doing the 12-month build yearly. We'll be canceling it after this year, though, and I'll tell you why in a moment. It's $420 annually. So you do save 30%. You did see that they had a lot of the tracks. The way that their website works is very, very easy to use, and we're going to get into that at the final segment of this episode. BPM Supreme, you get the D, and not the good kind either. You get the D with the asterisks, but again, if they don't have throwbacks and on their standard plan do not have regular hits, they don't have the Latin on the regular, right? They don't have the Latin. But if you did combine these two prices, here, then you're still looking at less than what ZipDJ has to offer. So if Latin is your thing, then I'm not knocking BPM Supreme. I'm knocking the version that I have graded against the totally randomized testing that we're doing this again. Again, it's all just, roundabout. Here we go. Eighth Wonder record pool, you get a B+, but they are confusing as heck, and their website is really, really wanky. So on their website, they have a monthly plan that says $9.99, and you go hit subscribe, and that option's not there. So it's the bronze tier with a desktop app. I don't think they have any of that. I have not seen it. What you really get is the $14.99 per month subscription. The perk of Eighth Wonder is they have both video and they have audio, and they have a huge selection of throwbacks. All right. And then finally, Tidal. Tidal gets the A+, 29 out of 30. I'm currently doing the hi-fi version. So this one, of course, requires you to have a internet connection at wherever you are DJing at, because I have hi-fi regular. You cannot download the songs with hi-fi regular. So for $9.99 a month, there's no downloads. Hi-Fi Plus, however, for $10 more, it increases the audio quality of the song if it is discernible to you and everyone else. And you also are allowed to download up to 1,000 tracks. Now, on the left-hand side here, I want you guys all to take notice, there are discounts offered on Tidal. So you can do family, student gets 50% off. I'm military, so all my other veterans in the house, make some noise in the comments, and you get 40% off. And if you're a first responder, only available in the United States, you get you get a 40% off. So pick or choose one or the other. 40% off at the Hi-Fi Plus rate makes 12 months only $144 a year, with 1,000 downloads available and with the top score on the grading schema here. All right, so we're going to dive into real-time examples right now. I'm going to show you really, really quickly what each service looks like, and then hopefully you guys make your choice. Let me know either what you're using in the comments or what you want to try out now. A lot of these plans offer a discount for the first month, so you can get your feet wet and kind of test it out, see how you like it, or just watch what's going on in this video. All right, so here we go. We're going to start with Tidal. There is what Tidal looks like. I really, close this, come on, no more. There we go. We are in Tidal right now, and you can add your own playlist here. The playlists automatically show up inside of Virtual DJ. You can use it in your car, off of your phone with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It has a lot of different use cases to it. So as far as value goes, and up to 9 million songs, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. If I'm going to recommend anything to you, it's going to be to test the waters with Tidal. I've been against using streaming services for a long time now, but after actually putting pen to paper and evaluating what they have to offer versus, do you have an internet connection or not? So with that said, make sure you have some music downloaded, whether it's from the Tidal Hi-Fi Plus version or your just standard collection. So if you want to combine this like I did with a record pool, my recommendation would be to have Tidal plus with Eighth Wonder record pools. I think that's my official recommendation for you because of the availability to get throwbacks. So this is what ZipDJ looks like. Very, very quick to search for items. So like if I wanted to look for Notorious B.I.G. and I hit enter, you're going to get an option here to look at all the different songs that they have by Notorious B.I.G. You can select by artist up here. It kind of does a pre-filtering for you. And then you can look at all the different songs they have. Is it a lot? Is it a lot? Nah, it's not too many. It's not too many. But once you find a song that you like, you can actually, this is how you do it. You right-click here. No, you go here and you click download. And then what the download actually does when you click on it, it brings it up to this little zip folder. It ends up downloading a zip file for you, which is why it got its name. Say it with me, ZipDJ. That's right, that's right. So then here you can have a whole crate, a folder full of tracks that you can batch download at one time. So that's a kind of neat feature. Now, BPM Supreme, this is what it looks like. Also, very, very quick, very, very quick. Let's look to see if they have any Jay-Z songs. Click on Jay-Z. We'll click on the artist right here. And now you get to see they have 178 songs by Jay-Z. You see how quickly this works. And then when you want to download it, you basically have got the clean version, the dirty version, the intro clean, the intro dirty, plus two more. Looks like we've got, what are the other two? We've got a quick hit clean and quick hit dirty. So when you want to download it, you basically just click on this and it's going to go download for you right there. Really, really quick, really easy to use. The version that I have actually has exclusive playlists and curated sets. So if you're doing a specific party, they have some ideas for you to get going. I wouldn't do a party straight off of any of these, but the exclusive playlists are pretty nice to have. So if you're doing a regional party, open format, holidays was nice to kind of have some stuff all together. So this is one of the perks of BPM Supreme. I think its shining light is this section right here. Now, wonderful Eighth Wonder record pool. The site is slow. It is very, very slow. So let's just throw another one in here. Let's do Busta Rhymes. Let's just see Busta Rhymes. See if Busta Rhymes shows up. And we're waiting. And I don't mean for this video to go past 20 minutes. I really didn't. But, Eighth Wonder record pool, it takes its time. No more tracks. Did I spell it wrong? Busta Rhyme? Busta Rhyme? Just give you an example. Then we'll just do Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. All right. Let's see if anything comes back quickly for Taylor Swift, because it's all a crapshoot. All a crapshoot. And it just does take a very long time. They do have some nice filtering options here, though. You can go clean version, dirty version, or all of them. All of the audio will show up here. And if you want to see what videos they have, well, your videos can show up here. And if you get a link clumper tool like on Google Chrome, you can actually download all of the songs on the page at once. That's your secret tip for staying in here for a really long time watching this whole video. Your tip of the day, link clumper works for Eighth Wonder. So you can get up to 20 songs at a time, quick clip, quick download, great way to increase your library right there. So that's what I have for you. That is the review. Like, share, subscribe. Keep in tune for more content that's geared towards virtual DJ, OBS Studio, Touch Portal, and all things fun and entertaining in the music industry. That's it. I'm LeFave.